I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the Bitcoin is pumping right now. And in fact, if you remember the last video that we happened to cover, we clearly indicated that yes, initially at a 8-hour chart, it was forming the bearish divergence when it was forming the higher high onto the time frame, but higher high in the price, but forming the lower high in the RSI. This is the bearish divergence. Price is higher high, the RSI is lower high, and which calls for a little bit of reversal, and the reversal happened. And at this point of time, we said that this is forming the bullish divergence. What is bullish divergence? That if you try to see, the price is forming the lower low, but the RSI is forming the higher high, higher low. This is the mismatch. This is the bullish divergence, which means probably we might see the upside despite the fact that the SEC is attacking the BUSD. And guess what? We popped up, and literally this is the good news. And in fact, we touched almost $25,000. But the question that is on the mind to the mind of a lot of people are the Bitcoin maximalists. They pretty much invest all their money into the Bitcoin. Obviously they would have seen significant pump in it and into their portfolio as well, but a lot of altcoins are not rising yet, right? That must be the question within your mind, and I wanted to clear that particular thing and for you guys to understand why this plays out, because this can literally make you good sum of money if you have the understanding of it. First of all, guys, like if you have not got the subscription of this trading view, one of the best thing, you want to make money in the crypto, you need to learn the charting. And how do you learn the charting? Just show up, just keep on showing up onto the chart, try to see what is bearish divergence, bullish divergence, right? Every single day. You'll be finding, where do you find the trading view? I will leave the referral link down below in the description. You click onto that link, take the free trial, 30-day free trial, and after that, like, it's very cheap, but it is worth it. But anyways, you need to take the free trial and see, like, you need to do the charting. So there is this Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, that determines where the money is flowing in, whether the altcoins or onto the Bitcoin. So let me just open BTC.D chart. So this is the Bitcoin dominance. So whenever the BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance, is rising, at the same time the Bitcoin price is rising, that means the money is flowing into the Bitcoin. And then after that, once the Bitcoin dominance is pulling back, that means the money is flowing into the altcoin. Now to give you the backing, as you can see, this is June, right? We happen to form the low. And at this point of time, like, Bitcoin dominance reached 48%. This is the worst thing for the altcoin, when the Bitcoin dominance is rising, but the Bitcoin price is falling. One of the worst thing for the altcoin. This was happening till June. I remember some of the coins like Matic, just imagine, reached 32 cents. We asked people to buy it, like it is at a bargain price, we said. And after that, once the Bitcoin started pulling down, last year itself, after June, we saw the altcoin season. So this is the altcoin season where the money starts flowing into the altcoin. And Matic literally reached more than $1. And then after that, after September, again, the Bitcoin dominance started rising, because, at this point of time, like, pretty much things remains idle. When the Bitcoin price is rising and the dominance is rising, things remain idle because the money is flowing into the Bitcoin. And after that, once a pullback happens, the money starts flowing into the altcoin. Here the altcoin season a little bit started, and then we had the FTX collapse. When the Bitcoin price fell significantly, but the altcoins dumped even harder. That is why the dominance was collapsing. And at this point of time, we had the dominance started rising again. The altcoins started dipping in December, and then January, as you can see, first week of January, the altcoin started pumping, right? The altcoin season. So at all the resistances, when the dominance starts retracing, we know that the altcoin season is coming. We know, right? And that is the exact moment people can load up onto the altcoin. Like, some of the people are comfortable into the Bitcoin or remain out of the market. Probably dominance could be one of your indicator. So right now, as you can see, from here, the dominance started rising, like because the Bitcoin literally pumped really hard in the month of January, right? And then from 25th Jan, if you remember, when the dominance started like pulling back, we had the alt season, like some of the coins doing 400%, 300%, the micro caps. We know it, right? And then again, from like 7th, 5th Feb, like little bit of pullback in the Bitcoin, the dominance started rising, and then the Bitcoin price is increasing, the dominance is rising. So what is the next thing that we are looking for the altcoin season to come, for the money to flow in the altcoin? Yes, you guessed it right. I just said it right. The next resistance phase is like the next pullback that happens. Probably, let's say, I mean, if we try to find out, this is the resistance. It might be pulling back from here, but it might be just reaching at this point, right? 45%. If it reaches 45.5%, after that we'll see a pullback. That is the time the altcoins dominance, I mean the Bitcoin dominance, is going to be decreasing. So the best scenario that can happen, let Bitcoin consolidate at this price, 24,600 that it is right now, and then after that the Bitcoin dominance start falling down, and that's when we have the pump within the altcoins. I hope, again guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we make money for our subscribers. To grow the finances of our subscriber is our goal. Now, having said that, we even give one of the token, LBP. We asked people to reaccumulate. Like the first time it did 63% pump, we asked to reaccumulate anything below 0.0006, and it went literally till the extent of 0.0057, right? 0.57. That was a really great point of accumulation. Anybody who would have accumulated, right now it is sitting at 0.0063. So that is approximately 10% jump from there, from that low. But still, I believe like 10% is nothing. It is due a pump. I already gave the target. Probably it will touch 0.0001 or something, or even more. That means we are talking more than 60-70% pump, which is a big sum of money, right? I mean, if we are talking, we want to make that sort of gains within a large cap coin, it will take a lot of time, right? It'll take a huge amount of rally for something like that to happen. In a low cap coin, we get like one day we just get lucky and we get that kind of pump. So again guys, I hope that you found the content helpful. Please smash the like button if you like this concept of Bitcoin dominance, and if you remember, like if you just try to pull back at this point of time, like when the mega alt season, we remember, of 2021, right, when the 200x 300x were made onto the coins, Bitcoin dominance reached more than 64%, and from there, like it kept on falling from January 2021, and this was the time, like from March till mid of May, literally we saw the kind of insane pump that literally made so many millionaires. And this was the season, guys. I mean, something like this is the mega alt season that literally would be expected. So probably, you never know, coming down, I mean, probably by the year end, by the next halving, we might see that kind of dominance again, and that's when we'll be waiting for the dominance to start falling and make that juicy 100x 200x gain out of some of the altcoins. So thanks a lot guys for watching the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.